Have you ever stared at a pile of bank statements, receipts, and that random napkin with last month's grocery list scribbled on it and felt completely lost? You know you're spending money, but where exactly is it going? Maybe you've tried spreadsheets, budgeting apps, or the ever-optimistic envelope system with cash, only to find yourself back at square one a month later. Well, fear not, financially frustrated friend. There's a new sheriff in town, and its name is Snoop. No, not the Dogfather, although wouldn't that be a trip, but a money management app designed to take the mystery out of your finances. Intrigued? Let's break down what a Snoop account is and how it can turn you from a budgeting blind bat into a financial hawk. Meet Snoop, your 24/7 financial bloodhound. Think of Snoop as your own personal financial bloodhound, constantly sniffing out your spending habits and tracking down areas to save that cash money. Unlike a real bloodhound, adorable as they may be, Snoop works entirely digitally. This means you can access it anytime, anywhere on your phone, giving you complete control over your financial situation. Here's the real magic: Snoop uses a technology called open banking. Don't worry, it's not some kind of financial black hole. Open banking allows Snoop to securely connect with your bank accounts and credit cards. This gives Snoop a holistic view of your entire financial picture. No more juggling accounts, see everything in one place. Remember that mountain of statements we mentioned earlier? With Snoop, those days are over. The app aggregates all your financial information, bank accounts, credit cards, the whole shebang, into one, easy-to-understand dashboard. Imagine being able to see your checking account balance, upcoming bills, and recent purchases all on the same screen. No more flipping through statements or logging into different bank apps. With Snoop, you have a central hub for everything financial. Say goodbye to budget blind spots, unveiling your spending habits. But Snoop isn't just about seeing your money, it's about understanding it. The app uses clever algorithms to analyze your spending habits and categorize your transactions. No more wondering where all that money you spent on entertainment actually went. Snoop breaks it down for you, showing you exactly how much you're spending on groceries, dining out, clothes shopping, that monthly subscription to that meditation app you haven't used since February. We've all been there. This kind of transparency is key. Once you see where your money is going, you can start to make informed decisions about your spending. Maybe those daily lattes are a habit you can cut back on, or perhaps there's a subscription service you can ditch. Every little bit saved adds up. Become a bill-busting boss, slash those monthly expenses. We all know the struggle of keeping up with bills. Snoop can help there too. The app keeps track of your upcoming bills and can even alert you if there are any price hikes. Imagine getting a notification that your internet provider is about to jack up your monthly fee. With Snoop, you can be proactive and shop around for a better deal before your wallet takes a hit. But wait, there's more. Snoop can also help you find exclusive deals and switching services for things like utilities and phone plans. It's like having a personal cost-cutting champion in your pocket, always on the lookout for ways to save you money. Snoop, your financial freedom starts here. Snoop isn't a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that can transform the way you manage your money. By giving you a clear picture of your spending habits and helping you find ways to save, Snoop empowers you to take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. So, if you're tired of feeling lost in a sea of receipts and bank statements, give Snoop a try. It might just be the financial bloodhound you've been missing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.